In this video I will show you how to get Roblox voice chat on mobile. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. Let's go ahead and open Roblox. Tap on this three dots icon. Then select settings. Next is click this account info. Then you need to verify your age by clicking this verify my age button. Provide your email address. This will be your recovery method in case you lose access to your account. Now click Start Session. Take a photo of your valid government-issued ID. Now take a selfie. Make sure that your face is in the frame and clearly visible. After the age verification is successful, go back to the Roblox app. Go back to Settings. Then go to Account Info. You should see by now that your age is now verified. Go back and go to Privacy. Now enable this toggle to turn on voice chat. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.